Creativity is an energy, and so when you're around creative people, it makes you want to be more creative. I think that the program is very unique. We get so many people from the industry that are already jewelry designers. You might have somebody who's been designing jewelry for a really long time, but they don't have CAD. And then you have people who have never designed jewelry at all. So they come in with all different sets of skills, so we create a program that allows them to jump in where they need to jump in. When you design jewelry today, it's all about the story. Who's going to be wearing this and what does it mean to them? I did corporate sales for many years. After 9/11, I started to rethink everything, and what I love to do is design. I didn't know I was going to open a school. I was teaching the rendering classes. I was very surprised that more and more people started to find me. One of the things that I want my students to walk away with is they've started their own jewelry line, their collection, and they're out there selling it. You get to see them grow. That's what it's all about. So I think when you do something that you really love, nothing stops you.